Hello, if you have a Nikon D850 camera and wanted to shoot time lapses using qDslrDashBoard app and you are having trouble connecting your camera to qDslrDashBoard app, this short tutorial is exactly for you. This app allows you to control camera settings without actually touching the camera itself. When I first bought this camera and was excited to shoot my first time lapse using qDslrDashBoard, I just couldn't connect it no matter what I tried. And after a long time, I figured out a few tricks that will help you to connect your D850 to this app. So let me show you how. This entire tutorial is focused on wireless connection. And the reason I'm focusing on wireless is because you can control the camera without the need for any wires whatsoever. Before you connect qDslrDashBoard to your camera, first you need to start with Snapbridge, which is a Nikon app that can be downloaded from Google Play or from Apple Store for free. In my case, I'm using Android Google phone. So first you would need to go to your camera options and go to Setup menu. In Setup menu, go to airplane mode and disable it. After that, go to Connect to Smart Device and start the connection with the phone. Start the Snapbridge. After the Snapbridge started, you have a button Connect to the camera. After you press it, you'll have an option of the camera that you are trying to connect. In my case, it's D850. After that, the phone will try to connect. You'll have this pop-up screen saying pair with this camera. Press pair and also press OK on your camera. After the connection has been established, go to mobile data on your phone and turn it off. This is a very important step. If you do not turn it off, it's not gonna work. For this tip, I give credit to Gunther Wegner from LR Timelapse. After that, press a button called Remote Photography. After pressing this button, Snapbridge will try to connect to your camera through Wi-Fi. After that, go to your settings and double check that your phone actually connects to camera Wi-Fi. After the phone connects to the camera's Wi-Fi, it may say that there's no connection. That is okay. Right after the phone connected, go immediately to qDslrDashBoard app. And there you have a button for wireless connection to Nikon cameras, which is conveniently called just Nikon. After you press it, the app will connect to the camera. And that is it. The phone is connected now and you can do whatever you want. You can start live view recordings or you can go to LR time-lapse screen and start doing time-lapse. I hope this short tutorial helped you. You'll be able to connect qDslrDashBoard to your Nikon camera and record successful time-lapses. Thank you for watching and see you next time.